friends, in this video I'm going to show how we can find these three unknowns x, y and z using matrix method. In my previous video I have explained the same method where we had to find only two unknowns x and y, but here we have to find three unknowns. So let's go step by step. So the formula here is x is equal to A inverse B. So we must find A inverse for getting x, and before A inverse we must find the determinant of the matrix. So let's write down what is x, A and B here. So x is nothing but the unknowns x, y, z. B is the value at the right hand side 4, 0, 2, and A is the matrix obtained from the system of linear equation. So A is 1, coefficient of the variables 1, minus 1, 1, 2, 1, minus 3, 1, 1, 1. So this is my A. So the first step would be to find the determinant of the matrix. So as we know, row expansion, so 1 times eliminate this row and column. 1 minus 2 minus plus 1 into 3 is 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. Now it's odd position, so it will become minus of minus 1. So plus 1 times eliminate this row and column. 2 minus into minus plus 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 1 times 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, sorry, 2 into 1 is 2 minus 1 is 1. So 5 plus this is 4 plus 5 plus 1, which gives 10. So since the determinant of A is not equal to 0, that means A is, that means the matrix is non-singular, and when the matrix is non-singular, what it implies? It implies A inverse exists. Now here comes the role of this formula. Finding A inverse is adjoint of A upon determinant of A. This is the formula for finding A inverse. So see, none of this step can be eliminated. So first we will write here, let capital Aij be the cofactor of small aij. So we will be finding the cofactors which will give us the adjoint of the given matrix. So A11, like this you write A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, then A31, A32, A33. Now at the odd position put negative sign in advance, like this, like this, like this and like this. Now we will be finding the cofactors. So for our convenience, let's write the matrix again over here for understanding it properly when the matrix is in front of us. So A11 is the cofactor of 1. So what we have to do? Eliminate this row and column. 1 plus 3 is 4. Then 1, 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 1, 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2, 1. Minus 1 is minus 2, and 1 minus is already present, so plus 2. 2, 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2, 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. 3, 1. Minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3. Minus 1 is 2. 3, 2. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5, but already 1 minus is present, so it will become plus 5. 3, 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. Now the adjoint of A is in our hand. What we just have to do, just write whatever is written in horizontal form in column form. That is our adjoint of the matrix. So I'll write 4 first, minus 5, 1, then 2, 0, minus 2, 2, 5, 3. I have written it in column form. All the elements which I see in the row I have written in column form. So the inverse of the matrix is 1 upon 10, because in determinant formula, A inverse formula, A inverse we know is adjoint of A upon determinant of A. So we have to divide by 10 and then the adjoint of A. 4, 2, 2, minus 5, 0, 5, 1, minus 2, 3. This is my adjoint of A. Now we have A inverse also. So let's come to the climax. X is equal to A inverse B. That means 1 by 10 of 4, 2, 2. Then minus 5, 0, 5 and 1 minus 2, 3. and here B in the question values on the right hand side 402. So first this is of 3 by 3 order, this is of 3 by 1 order, as this is same, so the matrix multiplication is possible. So I will be writing it. So how do we multiply the matrices? 4 into 4 plus 2 into 0 plus 2 into 2. In this fashion we will be calculating it. So 4 4 is 16, this is 0 and this is 4. So 16 plus 4 is 20. Next is minus 5 into 4 is minus 20, then plus 10, minus 20 plus 10 is minus 10. Then next is 4, this is 0, this is 6. So 4 plus 6 is 10. Now as we know 10 is in division, so each element will be divided by 10. So the answer left is 2, minus 1 and 1. So x is equal to 2 minus 1 1. What does it mean? It means these are the value of x, y and z. So the values obtained for x, y and z can also be checked by putting it in any of the equation. So when I put in the first equation, x is equal to 2 minus y is equal to minus 1 plus 1, what I get, the result is 4, which is equal to the RHS. Hence the solution obtained is correct. So this much for today. Thank you, and I request you give me the problems and I'll come up with the solution. Thank you and have fun.